Nakabalik na kami dito sa CWC kasi last time walang tubig sa pool at ngayon meron na. Tignan nyo. Ganda. Kasi last time naligo ako sa wakeboarding area. It's my kubo. What's that called, Dad?
Kubao.
Kubao. Kubo. Oh, let's dive in the pool. Let's dive. Oh, ah. No water. No, they don't seem to care, do they, about the water? Oh, there's a bit. Shall we go swimming in this? Maligo ka dyan?
No way, well that's
Dive.
all the goodness of the people who swam.
I bet people have peed in there as well, probably.
Probably that water, 100% peace.
So mag ATV na kami.
Yeah, ATV.
At CWC. Yan. Snake Trail. So naghihintay na kami sa ATVs.
Yeah, tagal nila.
Kasi ginagamit ng ibang tao.
On enduro trail as well,
Oh, I think nandito na. But if that's for us. So handa na kami. Got all our safety equipment on. Mga ATVs. The trail. Ayan. Madumi na ako. I got stuck. Oh. Yeah, and that was the ATV.
That was it.
Snake Trail. Snake stuck ako, and I had to get rescued.
It's really dirty.
Ang dumi talaga.
Mommy and Nana are going to have massage.
And then
Nana's
maraming
going to have a
putik.
shower first. You know what? She was jumping in the end. I was holding her hand.
So that was CWC. I don't know if you could tell, but I managed to get stuck on the ATV, so I had to be rescued, but then I still had to power out at where I was stuck from, so I ended up getting really muddy. But it was a lot of fun, and I'll love to do that again as well at some point. It's really good weather as well when we were there also, and the food was great too. So it's a place I'd strongly recommend if you're in that area, close to Naga City. Go to CWC and try the wakeboarding as well. I didn't do that this time, but I've done it before. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to record me actually driving the ATV because I didn't have a GoPro on me and I couldn't record on my phone or anything or on my camera while I was actually driving the ATV. I had a few pictures anyway that I've added, but if I do it again, I'll definitely have a camera that I can record with while I'm actually riding the ATV. But yeah, this was CWC. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe if you're not already. I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.